Okay, so here we have a little nesty hen Boo, and she's in little nesty mode. I finally got her a happy hut because it was getting cold here. We got a new air conditioning. But now that I got her the hut, she is just very, very nesty. If you even reach anything in her cage, it's dead meat. So we'll see if I can't get her to. Oh, see. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Yeah, she's very, you don't have to reach into her, you just reach right into the cage. As soon as you reach into the cage, that's it. That's it. She's a very nesty little girl. Yes, biting everybody. Yeah. So I've been letting Sunshine and Boo Boo come out, or Sunshine and Pohaku play a little while, because she gets really bitey. And right now she wants to go play with Sunshine there. And back she goes into the cage. There's the nosy Sunshine wondering what's going on. Eating fresh sprouts. He likes his sprouts. The little vulture's waiting. It's like a little vulture. She waits on her swing, and anything that goes by the entrance, she goes after. Usually she's pretty sweet, but the past week she's been pretty bitey. And that's a handsome Sunshine eating sprouts. Oaxaca's in the back relaxing. See if I can't get some of her calls. Hi, Pohaku. Hi. And she's very much a Velcro bird. Given the chance, she'd fly right to me and be sitting on me all day, but I like to let her play with the other ones so they get used to each other and she can forage and play. Hi. Hi. She says hi and pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Hi. Hi. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Well, she says it when she feels like it, like most of the birds when they feel like it. But that's them. Oaxaca's hanging out, waiting to cling on to me. Sunshine's eating sprouts to feed the Boo. And Boo is doing her little vulture thing, waiting for the entrance, making sure that nothing comes into her cage and bothers her while she makes her little nest. My little Boo Boo. Say hi. Say bye, baby Boo Boo. Say bye. Say bye, my little hen.